As a DIY enthusiast or professional electrician, having the right wire crimping tool is essential for creating secure, long-lasting electrical connections. With the growing demand for reliable home and marine wiring, high-quality crimpers have become a staple in every toolbox. This guide evaluates 5 top-rated models, focusing on critical factors like ratcheting mechanisms, build quality, ergonomic handle design.
Product number 1. Hystronica Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors Set, 280 pieces. When you are looking for a complete, out-of-the-box solution, the Hystronica 280-piece set is hard to beat. This kit isn't just a tool, it's a full marine-grade wiring station. The star of the show is the ratcheting crimper designed specifically for heat shrink terminals. Unlike standard crimpers that can pierce the delicate heat shrink tubing, this tool features professional-grade jaws that apply even pressure without damaging the insulation. The build quality is impressive, featuring a precise ratchet structure that automatically adjusts to the pressure needed for different connector sizes, AWG 22 to 10. The ergonomic nylon handle ensures a non-slip grip, even if your hands are a bit greasy from working on an engine. Included in the set is a versatile wire stripper and an assortment of 280 connectors, ranging from butt joints to rings and spades. For boat owners or automotive DIYers, this comprehensive set provides professional-level security against vibration and moisture.
Product number 2. Klein Tools 3005CR Ratcheting Wire Crimper. Klein Tools is a legendary name in the electrical industry, and the 3005CR lives up to that reputation. This is a specialized tool for those who prioritize durability and repeatability above all else. The 3005CR features 3 color-coded crimping cavities: red 22 to 16 AWG, blue 16 to 14 AWG, and yellow 12 to 10 AWG. This visual aid significantly reduces the risk of using the wrong cavity, ensuring a uniform crimp every time. What sets the Klein apart is its adjustable compound action design. It essentially multiplies your hand strength, allowing for high-pressure crimps with minimal physical effort. The built-in ratchet ensures the tool doesn't release until a full cycle is completed, which is a critical safety feature for preventing cold or loose crimps. While it doesn't come with connectors like the Hystronica kit, its heavy-duty steel construction and dual-material molded grips make it a tool that will likely outlast your career.
Product number 3. Hystronica Crimping Tool AWG 26 to 10. For those who need a slightly wider range of wire gauges, this standalone Hystronica ratcheting crimper is an excellent choice. While many tools start at 22 AWG, this model reaches down to 26 AWG, making it suitable for more delicate electronic work alongside standard household wiring. The jaws are forged with precision technology to ensure a firm, solder-like connection that holds tight under stress. The tool features a quick-release lever on the inside of the handle, which is incredibly helpful if you accidentally misalign a connector and need to abort the crimp mid-cycle. The handle design focuses on comfort for high-repetition tasks, using non-slip materials that reduce hand fatigue during long projects. It is a reliable, mid-range tool that strikes a perfect balance between the affordability of budget brands and the high-end pricing of professional trade tools. Product number 4. Hystronica Wire Stripper and Crimping Tool Set, AWG 24-10. Efficiency is the name of the game with this Hystronica 2-in-1 combo. This set pairs a high-performance ratchet and crimper with an automatic wire stripper. The automatic stripper is a standout feature for anyone who hates the guesswork of traditional stripping pliers. You simply insert the wire, squeeze, and the insulation is pulled away cleanly without nicking the copper strands. The accompanying ratchet crimper is optimized for heat shrink connectors, AWG 22-10. By bundling these 2 essential tools, Hystronica addresses the entire life cycle of a wire connection, from preparation to final seal. The build quality remains high, with heat-treated alloy steel blades on the stripper and a thickened ratchet mechanism on the crimper.
This is the ideal choice for a hobbyist or technician who wants to upgrade their entire wire processing workflow in one go.
Product number 5. Plus Tool Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors, AWG 22-10. The Plus Tool ratcheting crimper is designed for the user who wants professional results on a budget. Despite its lower price point, it doesn't skimp on essential features. It includes a star wheel, adjustable compression wheel that allows you to fine-tune the crimping height and force based on the specific project you are working on. This level of customization is usually reserved for much more expensive models. The handles are ergonomically cushioned and non-slip, providing excellent leverage for thick 10 AWG wires. Like the other top-tier models, it features a full-cycle ratcheting system and a quick-release lever. It is particularly effective for heat shrink terminals because the dies are designed to be smooth, meaning they won't tear the protective casing during the compression process. For home appliance repairs or occasional vehicle work, the Plus tool offers professional-grade reliability at an entry-level price.